first of all, I would like to apologize for the video being so late, but I believe in it is never too late until it's not done. The last strategy video of NEET 2025. Let's go, guys! I'll just put the timetable across the screen as well. So I've divided the days into three parts. Like one would be 12 days, and then the next slot will be 8 days, and the 3 days. The main day I have not calculated in your timetable because I don't think that day would be perfect for any short subject or anything. You just go through some of the things which I'll tell you, and other than that it would be fine. Don't put any subject like Ofthal or ENT. Don't think that day you will be covering that because there can be some other things to be done, or maybe you're panicking or you're not well, or anything can go wrong. So just don't put any subject on that day. Okay, so after that will be on the first 12. Okay, I'm sorry. For the first 12 days, I would recommend you to go through the main resource. Whatever is your main resource, it can be rapid revision videos or whatever you have done as your main bulky resource. Okay, just go through that in the 12 days. Just read upon it. Don't sit and cram. Now it's not the time to cram. Just go through everything you have read for the 12 days. Okay, so whatever is your resource, rapid revision, or it can be BTR, whatever is your resource. The main thing I would like to tell you is no FOMO at this time. Doesn't make any sense to do any FOMO at this point of time. Whatever you have done is the best thing you have done. Okay, what your friend has done doesn't even matter. So the next 8 days I would like you guys to go through a quick shorter version of your revision. In that, what you guys are supposed to do is just go through the BTR videos if you have done so, or whatever is your shorter resource. Or if you don't have a shorter resource as BTR, now please don't go and start reading BTR. So what you do is, in this 12 days when you're going through your bulky resource or the rapid revision source, just highlight the points with a different marker that you can read in this 8 days. That would be your second revision. Okay, these 8 days, whosoever is reading BTR, what you guys have to do is read the entire BTR, the shorter version, and then just with a different highlighter. Yes, you're not going to read these books again, so just don't try to be pretty, don't try to be aesthetic. Just scribble as much as you can and highlight the best points you think you can't remember. Okay, so the ones you want कि last 3 दिन में नहीं पढ़ा तो मैं वहाँ पर नहीं लिख पाऊँगा या लिख पाऊँगी, so that you are supposed to highlight in this 8 days. Okay, and in these 3 days you have to go through those highlighted points which you were thinking that you could not reproduce if you are not able to read in the last 3 days. You got my point? So, and yeah, so your mantra for that day is gonna be, for this revision days, it's gonna be, वहाँ सब याद आ जाएगा. हाँ, believe me, वहाँ आ जाएगा याद. भाई इतना पैनिक मत करो. It's okay. Everybody goes through this phase. Alright. So yeah, I have some key points to share. I'll share this video as well on the screen if I am able to, because I'm little technically challenged. So just pardon me for that. Yeah. So you have the main things you can't miss is the last year paper. You 100% have to go through the last year paper. No question from that question paper should go wrong. Okay, that is the blunder. Okay, and if you have a choti copy, just choti copy should be choti copy. It should not be a big copy. Choti copy consists of only 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. That's it. When you're going for the exam, that day just go through it. Don't in that moment also, I just want to mention, don't be like nahi yaad aa raha, nahi yaad aa. It's okay, nahi yaad aa raha. One question doesn't make any difference. If you're panicking, that would make a bigger difference. So you just go through that thing, and then if you must have a lot of sticky notes. Your wall would be very fancy as of now, I feel. So whenever you're going to go to sleep, your day is finished, your timetable is finished, what you do is like go through the sticky notes. If you have 100 of them, divide it into the number of days and just go through those sticky notes and just peel it off, just throw it off. Okay, or just cut it off. Okay, and no FOMO, I told you already. No GT. I don't suggest any GT as of now. Some people who are very overconfident would be like, I've done so well, I'll do that in the paper also. That would mess up in the exam. So, and those kind of people who are like, अगर अभी number नहीं आया तो वहाँ पर भी नहीं आएगा. In both the cases, doesn't make any sense to give a GT now. Okay, and if you are giving your GT to see how much you're gonna score in NEET PG, don't give that GT. It doesn't make any sense, doesn't make any difference. It's a waste of entire day. Okay, and yeah, One more thing I would like to add is if you are doing Preeti ma'am's this Telegram, one series is there on Telegram where she will be posting some 12 or 20 questions each per day. So at night or when you are having your food, yeah, I know it looks brutal, like while having food I'm asking you guys to study, but it's okay. It's just 23 days. We're just 23 days away from your target. So anyway, it's okay, I feel. Yeah. So that time you can just just take the question so that your patho and micro is covered from there. I mean, like, it would be a better revision because patho and micro will be bringing a lot of question to your plate. So that would be better thing, I feel. And yeah, this is the main thing I would like to highlight. You are the main character energy, guys. Go for it. You can do it. All the best.